Everybody thinks making money online as an affiliate marketer is all that easy because they have been deceived by all these YouTubers over here. So in this video, I'm going to show you the real secret behind affiliate marketing, and before you can make money online, the best things or the things that you need to put in place before you can make money as. So if today be your first time of seeing me on the internet, my name is Richmond and I do videos about how to make money online, show you guys the real way and the best way and the truthful way of making money online. So if you're new to this channel, can you subscribe, like the video as well, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So today it's not like I'm going to scare you guys, but I'm going to tell you the actual truth about affiliate marketing, and I will show you how to select affiliate marketing product and how to go by it to promote. So now we are going to break these things into sections. So this section I'm going to show you guys how to select best affiliate marketing program. But before you go to an affiliate marketing or you select an affiliate marketing, you need to get an affiliate marketing dashboard to join. Yes, you need to get a platform to join before you become affiliate marketer. So what is affiliate marketing? It's a business model whereby you promote other people's business product for them to give you a commission. So the commission that they will giving to you is like the amount of money that you make per every month. So some of these affiliate marketing platforms pays you per every month, and some of them pays every week. So that is it. So let me go straight to my affiliate marketing dashboard to show you guys how to go by this affiliate marketing. um okay, so let me use digistore 24, or let me, yes, digistore 24, yes. All right, so guys, I'm not going to take you straight to the sign up process because signing up to digistore 24 is all that easy. So all you need to do is to go by just signing up as a complete beginner, and after signing up you're gonna get your account created like the dashboard that you see right now. So let me log into my account over here. It's okay, so it has logged me into my account, and you can see my account balance will be 00 because I don't promote products over here. I was focusing on other products and making money with other brands out there. But before you, on the dashboard of Digistop 24, you're gonna get your account created like what you see right now. If you go by creating an account easily, or it's being accepted in all the countries. So you go to this section where it says marketplace, you click on that and hit on all offers over here, and you're gonna get yourself create on the dashboard like what you see right now. So when you see copy promote promo link, where when you click on that, you can see that it says promo link has been copied to your clipboard. So that means I can promote this product per the earnings that I'm going to get per every sale. I'm going to get $49 per every sale. So that is it. And people will ask you to click on the link, copy, and go and share. So this is the basic thing that you need to know before you select an affiliate program from affiliate dashboard. First of all, what you need to do and set, or what you need to look before you select an affiliate program on affiliate dashboard is that you need to check about the conversion rate over here. This cut means the conversion rate. Yes, so the number of people who, whenever 100 people visit your link, about 37 people will buy this product. So you can see over here it says 37% over here. So this is the conversion rate, and the cancellation rate. You need to check these two things. You need to check the conversion rate and the cancellation rate, the number of people who select like they want to buy and later change their mind and cancel everything. So whenever you see the cancellation rate is bigger than the conversion rate, that means the product is not doing well in the affiliate marketing industry. Yes, so right after doing that, after selecting, let's take it that I want to promote this kind of product over here, I need to do a research, because you can't go out to promote this if you don't know the audience or the people who are in haste of this product over here. So you just have to select go to another platform and do a research about this product before you can go out there to promote. So if you don't know all these things, you can go out there, just receive clicks, but you're not gonna get any money. So affiliate marketing sometimes doesn't depend on a certain region, like they need people from United States. No, some of them work worldwide. So that is it. So you can see over here, it says uh here's a cart conversion rate. You can see 13%, and the cancellation rate is like 8%. So you can go scroll, you can see this thing over here. The cancellation rate is conversion rate is 9%, and then the cancellation rate is 8%. That means this product over here is not doing well in the affiliate marketing business. You don't have to go as a complete beginner, because if the cancellation rate is even closer to the conversion rate, that means people are not willing to buy over here. So you can see your share of the vendor's earnings. So it doesn't matter for this place, just look at the cart conversion and then the cancellation rate. So this tells me conversion cancellation rate, the number of people who cancels after adding to their cart, and then this Trotsky over here means that the number of people who just click on that and purchase. So if the conversion rate is bigger than the cancellation rate, that means the product is doing well. But first of all, you just have to check the date that this product entered the market. So you just have to check. So you can see online says 2024 June. So it means it has been on the market for a little while. So this means that, and you have to also visit their sales page. So you can see, let's go to affiliate support page over here, just click on that, just visit their sales page, just look at it. If the sales page is looking great for a visitor to buy a product from these people, so you can check over here. And these are the things that you need to know about affiliate marketing. So you can see these are the sales page, and you can see they have email swaps for the affiliate marketers. So I think this one is a little bit good, and it's good for people to go for it. So all these one things that I'm telling you guys are from my personal experience. So guys, I don't have any personal issue with any of these brands over here, but I'm just want to tell you the gospel truth before you go and promote any affiliate product everywhere. Yes, so whatever I'm telling you right now means it works on all the affiliate marketing platforms out there. You just have to go, just check all these things before you can go out there to promote all these things. So now, after copying the name of the brand that you want to promote, you just have to go to Trustpilot. Right, so let me check Trustpilot over here. Right, so we are just going to check then the reviews of this product, um if it's doing well in the market space or not. So let's paste this here and then go to search. So you can see, let's check the review. So if the brand is not doing well, you can see people are not rating these things over here. So let's click on that and check if this product is doing well in the market space. So you can see people are saying it's a scam, thieves committing fraud and all those stuff. So I don't have any personal issue with this brand, like I said, but you just have to come and check the before you go out there to promote. Yes, you just have to come. So any product that you want to promote, you just have to come to this place, just check the reviews. If the reviews is 4 star plus, that means the product is doing well on the internet space, so you can go out there to promote. So this is the reason why most people add to their cart conversions, and they will later remember to just cancel it. So you can see so far they have 12 reviews with 5 stars, and then you can see over here they have um 12 8 out of 12 reviews, which is below a star. So 1 star, 8 out of 12. So let me click on 1 star, and you can see the number of people who are rating them with a single star over here, and whatever they are telling or saying about this brand. So let me check another brand over here, unlock earnings, promote puzzle and all those stuff. So let me copy this brand, also the name over here, and come to Trustpilot over here and paste the company's name. All right, so let me check. All right, so you can see that this product is having um a good name over here. So you can see this product over here is Pinel or those, I don't know the actual name, but let me copy this over here and go to straight to the Digistore 24 app, and search whether we can get this kind of product on Digistore 24. Let's check if you can get. So you can see the product over here. That means this product is doing well in this locality or in the internet space, so you can go out there to promote. You can see these people who buy all these stuffs go out there to check the reviews before they will go out there to buy them. So if you're promoting and they click on your link, that means they are going to cancel it after click on your link. So if you have get, I know most of you have gotten um most values in this. So if so far I've gotten any value from my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In my next video I'll show you how, guys, how to promote this, the best way to promote it, and how you can get people to convert on your affiliate link. So guys, thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.